Hello, my dear friends. Welcome each and every one of you for Eminent Digital Academy's Women Entrepreneurship Training Program. Eminent Digital Academy recently launched entrepreneurship training program for women, and in this particular training program, we are making each and every single person attending our program an expert in starting and successfully running the business. In this training program, we will share the right strategies to start and run the business, and starting from how to start an entrepreneurship, or starting from setting your goals, okay, till the strategies to successfully run your business we are sharing. And let me tell you what are the main modules which is going to be in this particular program. We have 10 modules in this particular program. The main modules are it involves starting from goal setting, and how to start the entrepreneurship, okay, and how to understand the right business opportunity, how to pick the right business opportunity for you, how you know that this is the right thing for me, how to identify the right business opportunity for you. And then we will also guide you how to do the market research and how to check the demand for your particular product or service in the market, how to understand that. And we will also guide you on successfully writing the business plan, how to write the successful business plan. We will guide you in all the marketing strategies, whether it is online or offline or digital marketing strategy. What are the strategy you need to apply in terms of digital marketing? What are your online marketing strategies, other online marketing strategies, offline marketing strategies? How to brand your business? What are advertising strategies? We will also guide you on how to raise the fund, because funding is very important part of your business, okay. So what are the sources you can raise the fund? So all those things will be guiding you in our training program. Also, we will tell you why people go through challenges in business, and if at all there is a challenge, how to overcome all the challenges, how to overcome all your problems, and how to excel in business, and what are the right strategies for that. All these things will be guiding in our training program. This is a resource for women, whoever want to start the business, who has to attend this particular program. It's all for the women who want to start the business, and for the women who are already into the business and they want to move forward. So whoever want to have the right strategy in business, they can definitely go ahead and purchase or subscribe our program. So keep listening to it, and I'm sure you will be a business magnet once you complete our course. And I wish you all the best. Kindly check out our website www.eminentdigitalacademy.com for subscribing our Women Entrepreneurship Training Program. We welcome each one of you, and we love to see you as a wonderful entrepreneur. We wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Take charge.